for more. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download and install Filmora 13 video editor for free. First thing you want to do is to go to filmora.share.com. Once there, navigate to the Support Center section. In the Support Center, scroll down until you find Download and Install option. Click on it. Next, select your product. For example, I'll select Filmora, then choose system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once you've selected the version, click on the download package. It will start downloading to your computer. After downloading, locate the installation file on your computer and double-click to install it, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Now, you can use the installed version of Filmora on your computer. Keep in mind that if you have projects created with a newer version, they may not be compatible with the older version. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to tune in later for more videos like this.